Every single day, Amazon pays us hundreds of dollars like this, and like this, all without paying a penny up front and only working a few minutes per day. In total, I'm making over $200 per day. But how is all this possible? Well, I do the opposite of what everyone else is doing, and I promise you, I've never seen anything like it before. I avoid the traditional methods for making money online and do things completely differently. I don't use Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. In fact, all I do is use a simple 5-second AI trick, a trick that taps into a $1.82 billion Amazon Kindle loophole, which in turn pays me at least $200 per day in pure profit. To make this work, all we have to do is activate a secret AI loophole on the Amazon Kindle servers and watch the commissions roll in. It's as simple as copying a few lines of text, then pasting them into the secret AI Amazon Kindle platforms, and then we get paid. Everything else is done for us by our AI automated systems. The best part about this is that I can make money on both my computer, smartphone, or tablet. Thanks to this powerful, never-before-seen loophole, whenever we upload done-for-you books created by other people to Amazon Kindle, we get paid. As you saw earlier, these payments rack up pretty fast, and it really isn't that hard to crack consistent $200 days with this unique Amazon Kindle AI loophole. And wouldn't it be nice for you to wake up to paydays like this? Well, now's your chance to start doing the same with the brand new AZON Wealth System. AZON Wealth System is by far the easiest and most profitable money-making system we've ever created. It exploits a $1.82 billion Amazon loophole to make us thousands of dollars in profit. When the third richest man in the world, Jeff Bezos, integrated AI into the Amazon Kindle platform, he inadvertently left the door wide open. In most cases, AI makes something transformational and revolutionary, but this time round, he left behind something crucial: a gigantic loophole. A gaping hole so powerful, it's like an open vault of limitless, free, and laser-targeted traffic waiting to be tapped. And the best part? Jeff and his billionaire Amazon buddies haven't noticed yet. We realized pretty quick that under the right conditions, this loophole could be used to tap into billions of daily Amazon users that are spending thousands of dollars a day on books at Amazon Kindle Marketplace, and legally skim big commissions into our accounts over and over. All my members that are tapping into this loophole are making at least $200 a day on average, completely passively with this brand new system. We don't need our own e-commerce stores, we don't need to sell any products, and we don't need to pay for ads. Here, let me show you how it works. Step 1, click any of the buy buttons on this page to get a copy of AZON Wealth System. You'll want to do this now as we'll be closing this down soon to prevent saturation, so be quick. Step 2, activate the AI Amazon Kindle Profit technology at the press of a button inside the AZON Wealth System app. This is where the magic happens. It taps into the $1.82 billion Amazon loophole, which is allowing us to get paid when we upload done-for-you books to the Amazon Kindle Marketplace. Step 3, enjoy the power of automation. We're making hundreds of dollars a day every time we tap into this groundbreaking new Amazon Kindle loophole. Once AZON Wealth System is activated, the commissions never stop rolling into our accounts. Nobody has ever done anything like this before. If I lost everything and had to start from complete scratch, the first thing I'd do is fire up the AZON Wealth System app. You can use AZON Wealth System from anywhere in the world, whether it's your bedroom or from the beach. You can set up your campaigns from your laptop, PC, mobile, or even your iPad. And remember, each campaign takes less than a minute to set up. This is free traffic and commissions on steroids thanks to Amazon. Now at this point, you've seen all the proof, you know how well AZON Wealth System works, but how much is it going to cost? Well, considering it's the same system that's making us a minimum of $200 per day, you can't really put a price tag on that. It's priceless. At minimum, we'd have no problem charging $497 per month for access to this, and I'd have no problem getting hundreds if not thousands of people to pay this price, because it would quickly pay for itself. But I get it, that's a huge commitment to make, and I know how hard it is for you to try out new things with all the scams out there. To give you a chance to access AZON Wealth System, I'll be offering it at a price that anyone can afford. In addition to the discount, you'll be receiving thousands of dollars of fast action bonuses. But this offer is only available for a limited time only. I can't give everyone this discount as it would overwhelm our servers. If you come back later, I can't promise you anything, and there's a good chance your spot will be taken by someone else. So please don't delay. What's the risk considering you're backed by our 180-day money-back guarantee? I'll even go one step further and give you personal one-on-one coaching if you fail. Yep, that's how confident I am that AZON Wealth System will work for you. What are you waiting for? The ball is now in your court. Click the button below right now to get AZON Wealth System while it's still available at the early bird discount price.